Welcome to day 14 of Strength, 30 Days of Tai Chi, daily exercises. All right, so make sure to watch your Tai Chi video as well. If you missed it, you can click on the link below the video in the description and get all the classes for free. All right, today's exercise is called shoulder front raises. All right, so similar to what we did last class, which was yesterday, which was the side raise, this time we're just gonna bring them to the front. All right, so I'll demonstrate it first and then we'll do it all together. All right, we'll do one arm at a time though. You can do this standing. You can also do this sitting if you really wanted to. I'm gonna demonstrate it standing. And so you wanna stand with your feet shoulder to hip width apart, knees slightly bent so that you can really just not be too rigid and activate all the right muscles, including your core. All right, and so what we're gonna do is make two fists and we'll do one arm at a time. For this exercise, we're gonna have what's called an overhand grip. So your palms face behind. If my hands are open, my palms would be facing to the back. All right, and so from here, we're gonna keep the elbow straight. We'll start on this side here, and we're gonna lift the arm up to shoulder height, and then come back down. All right, and so if that bothers your shoulder in any way, then just don't go as high. All right, and so I'll show you from the side as well. So you're keeping your whole body still, knees slightly bent. You can even squeeze your glute muscles. That'll help protect your low back, especially if you have back issues. And then you just lift the arm straight up, in front, and then down. All right, notice how I'm not using my body to use momentum. All right, and I'm not leaning forward. So nice and tall. The only thing that's moving is my arm, and then I come back down. All right, and so try to keep the elbow straight for this one. Keeping your hand in a fist. All right, and then let's do the other side. So once again, overhand grip, keeping the body still, lift the arm up and bring it back down. All right, not too bad. So we're working the front of the deltoid. That's gonna really help with shoulder function, reaching in cabinets, and just really everyday activities. Our shoulders are crucial for all of those things, including recreational activities as well. If you like to play any sports or any activities like that, then this is gonna really help. All right, and so you can also add in 1 pound weights, but I wouldn't start off with anything heavier than that unless you're an experienced weightlifter. Then you can add in more weight if you like, or if you've been weightlifting. But even if you have some experience, if you haven't in a while, I still recommend starting off with either no weight or very lightweight. But I'm gonna use my 1 pound dumbbells just to show you what it looks like here. All right, so these are just my 1 pound dumbbells. So once again, we're gonna have an overhand grip. All right, so you can either do it without weight or with weight, and we'll do it all together. We'll do 10 reps starting on this side, and we'll begin. So breathing out as you lift, breathing in. Breathing out, that's 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, remember, if you can't make it to 10, that's okay. You can stop short of that. Remember to squeeze your glutes to protect your low back, and we'll begin the other side. 1, 2. Notice how I'm not going too fast. 3, and I'm pausing for just a second when I get to the top. And for you, it might go a little bit lower, and that's okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, and so you can do, I would recommend actually doing one at a time, especially if they're not even. All right, so if you bring your arms up and one's like here and one's there, then you definitely want to do it one at a time. But if they're pretty even and you want to save time, and it's like, okay, I've done these before, or these are pretty easy, then you can do them both together. And it's the same thing. You just do the same thing. You breathe out as you lift, and then breathe in. All right, so same idea, just bringing them up. And you can do up to 10 repetitions with both arms at the same time if that works better for you. Remember, you can always go without weights. It may take you weeks to go without weights, and that's fine. Always meet yourself where you're at. Try not to rush it, because that can potentially lead to injury. All right, let me know how it felt for you. Type in the comments if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.